Lift gates are made and designed to open and stay open while you use them. If you have this problem with your tailgate automatically opening and then shutting, sometimes on top of you, this is the video for you. Okay, let's try that again. Let's see what happens the second time. See if we get different results. Opens. Oh. I'll be dead gum. Same results. We have to fix that.
As you can see by the tailgate on this Equinox, I have a problem. It won't stay open. It opens, it tries to close, it opens, and then it shuts completely. It's dangerous. My wife goes to the grocery store. She has a hard time trying to shop and put her groceries in the back of the car. So today I'm going to show you how to fix this in your Equinox and other cars that have a liftgate support. You can order the replacement struts on Amazon, and I'll leave a link for you down below in the show notes. And so there's a couple different prices on these. So let me tell you why this is a DIY project. Because you can buy the part for 22 to 26 bucks. But if you go to your local repair shops, it'll cost you $85. Believe me, I checked it out. And I looked it up on the Napa repair estimation of cost. At $75 to $183 is the range of repair cost on that. But if you go to your local Chevy dealer, it's a tremendous expense on that. They quote you a minimum of $110, but they'll tell you if you're going to replace both of them, it's going to be $400 for parts and $275 for labor. Now, you only need to replace the right side of it. And if I can get you for 20 bucks or 26 bucks, that's a big cost savings. This is a DIY project you want to do. So to begin with, you need to operate this safely. So you want a stick or maybe a piece of PVC to hold the trunk lid up as you work on your liftgate. So let's open this up and put one of these under there and see how it works. Now that would hold that there. You'd be able to work on this unit right here, which is the one you're going to be replacing. It's the right side. This pole would be probably a little bit too long for that. You'll have to find something that's the proper length for you. You could also put a ladder underneath here. You can see I have a ladder under here supporting this. That's just under the lip of the trunk. And this is the strut that you'll be replacing right here. So you want to take these guys off by disconnecting here and disconnecting down here. And so when you put it back on, it's easier to connect it here first and then to put this in second, because you can lift the arm this up a little bit to be able to flex it to get the right length. You want to get you a small screwdriver to take this part off. And basically this little flange here you kind of flip out. That, and this thing pops off. That's easy enough. And then we'll do the same thing up here at the top. Okay, so now we're going to come in here and take off this second piece. So that slides up just kind of like that, and it pops off. It's pretty easy. So we need to clean those balls a little bit before we put on the new one. There we go. That's all there is. You can see the brand that I'm using right here, so let's open it up. There are instructions in here if you need them, so they tell you a little bit about the instruction guide and that screwdriver tip, which I just showed you, and how to put these on. The one quick page of instructions.
To replace the strut, you just need to press the end over top of the ball. You don't need to remove the latch. It stays intact and fits over the ball. It was so easy, it happened so quick. I was distracted talking to my neighbor and forgot to record that part. Believe me, that was easier than taking it off. It happened so quick, I actually missed this. This little thing just pops on. You do not have to release that. You just put it up next to that and push it in, and it snaps into there quite easily. And the same thing up here when you do this one. While I did this myself, when you put on the second piece on the liftgate portion, it may be helpful to have a second person lift the gate all the way open to attach that and pop it on. Just makes it a touch easier. Okay, now let's try it for actual work and see how we do with our liftgate on an automatic opener. And it's safe to stand under. So if you liked our tip on how to replace your strut or your automatic liftgate, hey, give us a thumbs up. Want to see more of our DIY home tips? Consider subscribing down below. And as usual, come back and see me real soon. Hey, there's several different brands of struts that you can buy. I bought mine on Amazon. I'll leave you the link down below in the show notes so you can go see. There's several different prices from $15 to $26. Buy the one you think will work best for you. On some models like this Equinox, it only requires you to replace the right strut. On older models than this, you sometimes may have to replace both of them. Because this is an automatic liftgate that control, it just has one strut that you need to replace. Ones that are manual may require more than one. So check your instruction manual or go to the Amazon and look up liftgate struts, and you'll be able to find which one and which models would fit your car.